In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable SMTP in Zoho Mail. If you send email from tools like a CRM, a website, or a desktop client, SMTP is what actually delivers those messages. We'll walk through Zoho Mail settings to make sure your SMTP sent messages are saved to your sent folder so your history stays complete no matter where you hit send. Start by opening a browser and signing in to your Zoho Mail account. You should see your inbox. Confirm you're in the mailbox you want to configure, especially if you use multiple accounts or aliases. The changes you're about to make apply to the selected account's outgoing messages, and you'll want them set on the exact identity you use with external apps. From the inbox, click the settings gear icon, typically located in the upper right corner of the interface. That opens the full settings view. Zoho's layout can vary slightly, but the gear reliably gets you there. Inside settings, you can also use the built-in search bar to find options quickly by typing terms like mail accounts or SMTP. In the settings panel, open mail accounts. This area lists the accounts and sender addresses available to you. Select the account you actively send from. You'll see configuration panels for how mail is handled. Because we're dealing with sending behavior, we'll work within the outgoing section. If you manage multiple domains or have delegated access, be sure you have permission to change this account's settings. Next, navigate to the SMTP, sometimes labeled Outgoing Server. This is where Zoho controls how messages leave your mailbox and reach other servers. You'll typically see server details already filled in by Zoho, which is exactly what you want. Unless your administrator has given you specific values, don't change the technical fields like server names or ports. Our focus is the option that governs what happens to copies of messages you send via SMTP. Find and enable the checkbox that says Save Copy of Sent Emails. Turning this on instructs Zoho Mail to store a copy of every message you send through SMTP in your sent folder. The benefit is simple but powerful. Whether you send from the web app, your CRM, an automation tool, or a desktop client, your sent folder shows a complete, consistent record. It also helps with search, handoffs among teammates, and meeting retention or audit needs. After enabling that option, click Save to apply your changes. Wait for the confirmation toast or message, then return to your inbox. Saving is easy to overlook, and if you skip it, the setting won't stick. Once saved, the change takes effect immediately. Going forward, any email your connected apps send through Zoho's SMTP will be archived and sent automatically, right alongside messages you send from the web interface. A couple of quick tips as you finish up. If you can't find mail accounts or the SMTP section, your organization may restrict who can edit outgoing settings. Reach out to your admin for access. If the interface looks different from what you see here, use the settings search box and type SMTP to jump directly to the right panel. And if you use multiple sender identities, review this setting for each one you actively use. You're all set.